Hi, my friends. This is Miss Alexander, and today we are working on Skylark within TechSmart. And our learning intention is that we will learn about sequences and events in programs. We're going to know this by our success criteria, which is I can create events using numbers to describe how to find specific coordinate points on the screen in TechSmart using Hunt for Bugs. I can also demonstrate success by having my program run without a bug. So let's go look at our program today. We're going to practice finding specific coordinate points on the screen. The fire capital was under invasion from pesky error bugs. Two of them, Bad Bug and Bitter Bug, were causing some serious mischief. So let's go ahead and run our program so we can see the solution. Where is my X? So I think I have to put in a number. Y. Ooh. Okay, so here's Bad Bug, so I got to figure out where he's at. Okay, got it. So here we go. Let's try it one more time. Let's try. I was off, but that's okay. Now that we know what we're kind of doing, we're putting in numbers. Let's keep going and figuring out what we're going to do. Here's our features that we need to discuss. We're going to do Bad Bug appears in different random spots. Each time the user can guess where. The code prints how far away the real position is. And then we have our challenges. Bitter Bug appears sometimes, and then Bitter Bug jumps up and down. So our solution only showed us about Bad Bug, not about our challenges. So let's go back to our program of what we have to do. Here it tells us the description as well. Here's our features and our challenges. Remember, I'm only going over the features. You get to do the challenges. Good job. So we're going to go to Bad Bug, click on Bad Bug, and I'm going to go to Code Assist. It says create a new event. So we're going to go to timing and grab before program starts, you guys. And then we're going to need to go to variables to set action. So I'm going to grab my variable. Right here, I'm going to highlight the word action. I know you can't see it highlighted, but that's what I'm doing. I'm going to Control C, and then come right over here, hit New Variable, and go to Control V, and hit OK. And then I'm going to go to Math, so that I can grab the first block, which is just a positive number, and put a 1. Let's go next. Every 1 second, again, we got to go back to timing, you guys. Grab the every blank seconds. We're going to put in 1 second, and then we're going to put in our conditional. So I'm going to go to decisions, grab my if block, and see what other conditional I need. I need equal to. So I'm going to grab the equal to, and then we're going to go to variables and grab a variable block and change that to action, you guys. And then go to math and grab the number block and put in a 1. Now it looks like I need 2 random blocks. So before I go to my variable block, I'm going to grab 2 random blocks and go to my variable blocks and grab 2 variables. And I'm going to connect my random blocks. So right now, you guys, I've got it all set up. Now I have to put in the words. So right here, I'm going to highlight the word random X, Control C. I'm going to come right down here and go to New Variable, Control V. Now remember, we're not allowed spaces. So I'm going to delete my space and put in an underscore. And then I'm going to quick highlight this, Control C, hit OK. I had a space at the beginning. I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to come right down here and change this variable to control random Y. So I'm putting Control V to write what I just copied. And now I put in my numbers 50 to 1,000, 50 to 1,000, and then this one is 50 to 500. Now I see why I was off on my Y. I'd flipped my axes. So let's keep going, you guys. Add to every 1 second inside the conditional. So inside here, we're going to set our X and Y's. And I say that we have two variables. So I'm going to quick grab two variables. And I'm just putting them down here at the bottom. And we're going to set my center X and set my center Y. So I'm going to grab one of each. I'm going to put my variables in it because we're going to do random X and random Y. Let's keep going, you guys. Add to every 1 second inside conditional. Show me play bug noise. So we'll go to looks to show me, and then sound to play bug noise. Test it. Oh, hold on, you guys. My sound is off. There we go. Didn't realize that, but that's okay. We'll keep moving forward. Add to every 1 second. We're adding another conditional, you guys. So I'm going to go back to my decisions, grab the conditional, and then we're going to set user X and user Y. So I'm going to grab my variables, and I realized what I forgot to do. I forgot to do the top part. What's great is it's right up here, this one. I'm going to Control C it and Control V, and then I'm going to bring it down here, and it says -1. It doesn't say 1. So I'll put -1. And now users X gas. So I'm going to highlight users X gas, go Control C. I'm going to go right down here, and we're creating a new variable. I'm going to Control V it. So there's a few things here we need to know. One, we cannot have apostrophes. And then two, we need to get rid of those spaces. And then I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, Control user X gas, Control C it. And then right over here in this one, I'll say new variable. I'm going to do that. And then right here with the X, I will delete it. So now that we're good there, it says input with bad bug. Okay, so we go to text and we need to grab this input. And it looks like I need two of them. Now, I'm going to quick read this entire thing so I know what I'm doing. Input the bad bug. Where do you think my X is? As a number. Right now we have it as a text. So I'm going to click it and grab a number. And the second one is the same way. And then I'm going to grab this little piece over here and bring it here and then grab this piece. What's great about the blue ones is they usually give us pieces we can move over. So let's keep moving. Add to every 1 second after both conditionals. So we're going to go to variables and grab this after both. And I'm going to need a second one. I didn't even mean to connect it. And then we need a math. We need a negative. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, negative. Okay. So I have all my pieces set up. Now we have changed the variables to action. So I'm going to go ahead and grab action, action, and now we get to test it. Where do you think my X is? Now remember, X was 0 to 1,000, so this way. I'm thinking he's kind of in the middle, so I'm going to say 500. And my Y is kind of at the top, so I'll say 100. So he's just going to keep asking. We need to put in a value where it tells us how to figure out where he's at. So add to every 1 second inside the second conditional. So inside this second one, we're doing some subtraction. See it right there? It's random X minus user X's guess. So I'm going to grab 2 of these because I need both of them right here. So we're going to go back to variables. I'm going to grab 2 variables inside the second conditional. And then I'm going to put these here. Amount off for X. So we're starting another variable, Control C that. And I'm going to do Control V. And now I have to get rid of all my spaces. I'm putting underscores so that it's not all together. And as usual, I'm going to highlight it, go Control C, because we need one for Y as well. So I'm going to go ahead and create the new variable, Control V, and then write a Y. Hit OK. And then we need to grab 4 variables, one for each of these little squares that we are subtracting. And then we need to put in random X to users X. And then random Y to users Y. Okay, let's keep going. You guys are doing a great job. Add to every 1 second inside second conditional. So we're going to print. So we go to text. We got to hit the word, grab the word print. And then right here it says print bad bug. My real position is or was and random X and comma and random Y. Okay, we can do this, you guys. Watch this. We need to grab another print. And because I have so many ands, 1, 2, 3, I need to grab this guy with my and. I'm going to put him there. And I said I needed 3 ands. So I'm going to do 2 and 3. So if I did this right, here is the first box. And then my comma goes into the third box. Now I need to go grab my variables. So I'm going to grab the 2 variables, one in the second, one in the fourth. And look, you guys, we're going to do random X and random Y. Random X, random Y. And then we're going to print some more. And it looks like I need 2 more variables. So before I leave the variables, I'm going to grab 2 of them. But I'm going to go right back up here and grab a print. And then right here it says print bad bug was off. Oh, we have the and. So I'm going to need an and. I need to make sure I grab it. So bad bug X was off. And then variable of amount off X. And then I need to go do this again. I know some of you guys are going, Miss Alexander, you usually just copy and paste. Yes, I do. But right now I want to make sure you see exactly where I'm grabbing everything so that you can see that. And then it says print a blank. Okay, you guys, let's keep going. You're doing a great job. Add to every 1 second inside second conditional. Hide me. Okay, we're going to go to looks and grab the hide me. And let's test it. Okay, so we're kind of close over here. So I'm going to say 150. And we're kind of in the middle. So I'm going to say 175. Oh, 175. I'm doing a little better. So it doesn't like it when you only do it one time. But I want to keep going. Oh, look, we made it to the challenge. So as you're doing this, it's okay to make mistakes. We learn from mistakes and we get better. Just take your time, take a breath, and remember to smile, giggle, smile, wiggle, and giggle. No, smile, giggle, and wiggle. I'll talk to you later. Bye.